Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to undo and redo with 3-finger swipe on iPhone. So if you are working with a document or for editing a photo and you made a change that you didn't want to make, for example, erased some part of the text and then want to undo this, of course you can use the undo icon at the top of your screen, but you can also use a 3-finger gesture. Just place them on your screen and then make a swipe to the left, or you can swipe to the right to redo something. And I hope that these two gestures will make editing documents and photos easier for you. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.